o evento internamente. Então a gente tem que estar aqui 7 da manhã, todo mundo. Por que 7 da manhã? A gente tem 1 hora para organizar tudo, conferir.
Amanhã no mínimo é umas 20 vendas. Só para cobrir. Expectativa 72 alunos.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird. If it's you.
Vai.
Quer aprender a ficar bonito assim? Vamos pra minha mentoria.
É 1 quadra da nossa loja. A nossa loja fica aqui, ó. Nossa loja fica aqui. E o lugar fica 1 quadra.
I don't even believe the truth. My vision was blurry. I didn't know how to clean it. I was happier when I was broke. It's an awkward feeling. My family know I ain't being myself.
7h31.
Certo.
Chama.
And if shit goes wrong today, who else are they gonna blame? If I don't help you out, you'll probably say I changed. My closest friend try to draw me out. Talk on me, that's word of mouth. Speak with chest, no need to shout. That shit gon' catch up. Someone's gonna get bored up, why? Cause this shit don't add up. So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird. You got a bone to pick with me, I feel like Piers Morgan. ETA on my trip, I said it already, you know I'm stalling. Yo, I feel like MJ now, I'm balling. Latest nights and early mornings. Yo, when I bought her the bag, didn't seem too surprised. It's expected from me, not you, 'cause you ain't that guy. You're just mad, you're broke, yo, self-centered time.
Bora começar! Vamos! Acredito que na região de muitos aqui, muitas cidades, depois das 11h30 morre tudo. Todo mundo fecha. Lei da oferta e demanda. Quanto menos gente aberta, mais pessoas querendo pedir, quem está aberto. Eu falo muito com meus alunos, todos os cursos ali assim, dos meus cursos básicos, eu falo o seguinte: a taxa grátis, quem manda é o ticket médio. Vamos dar um exemplo. Tem um caso só que você não deve usar.
Fazendo rota para motoboy, gerenciando entregadores. E em torno de 6 a 8 meses que eu estava com o William, ele começou com o projeto dos cursos, das mentorias.
Se não for, você fala pra Luiz.
Tá entendendo? Eu vou chamar esse aqui, ó. Vai fazer a pergunta?
This shit crazy.
Yo, accessories matching, a bag hair matching, too, pay attention to detail. Chrome out drop for the low light, you should know I didn't pay no retail. The money, the mullet, the peak, the guap, my focus ain't on females. You man washed up seashells, I done you wrong but I mean well. I want you but you're not guided, but I still hit that when you're on timing. When I don't text you back you get feisty, when I act nonchalant like you don't like it. Yo, I should keep it monogamous, head so crema in her esophagus. When I was step, I'd do it anonymous. Free my bro, fuck metropolitan. I can't be round them low vibrations. Can't cool down, now I'm too impatient. You're not real if you wrote a statement. Studio trapping from out my basement. One of one, can't be no replacement.
A galera bebia lá na frente, a gente passava umas situações diferentes lá.
Esse aqui vai pro YouTube do meu.
Drop for the low light, you should know I didn't pay no retail. The money, the mullet, the peak, the guap, my focus ain't on females. You man washed up seashells, I done you wrong but I mean well. Know the truth but act oblivious, running it up to the goal Vinicius. Talk on bro, get hit up imminently. Designer bags on her, not cheap. I feel like the shepherd, I just see sheep. Only problems I need is tax on her, telling me that I'm going too deep. Anyone try then I get to crashing out so no one can tell me.